Hi guys, it's Michelle. Welcome to my channel, Grateful Creations. I did this a couple weeks ago or a week ago, and I lost all of that beautiful webbing I had here. So I'm going to try and recreate it. I've changed up my gold. This I ended up blowing on, and that was Golden's iridescent gold fine high flow. So I did put that in my gold. I also have Decoart 24 karat gold. I also have Modern Masters in iridescent gold and Modern Masters in Olympic gold. Olympic gold is in opaque, so I'm hoping that the opaque holds a little bit better. And I have some, I'm going to put this down first. This is Modern Masters in pearl white. I've added just a smidge of Amsterdam titanium white to it. And I think there's some leftover champagne in here too. So I am going to go for this. These are drips that I had and I tinted just like I did. This is just leftovers from the previous pour. I've thinned them out a lot more than they were, because I think that was part of the problem, is the paints were very, it was a little bit thick. So here I go. I'm gonna pour this right over. I'm not painting my sides because my sides are already this color. And I have put little cardboards under here because it was off center a little bit. And I woke up this morning and I could not believe my eyes. I won the 5,000K giveaway on Pour, Scrape, Repeat. So one of the items is going to be some levelers, and that'll come in real handy. So let's move this paint around. There we go. It's moving quickly. That's good. Let's go back up here. We have to make sure there's enough paint off the canvas. We can't have too much paint on it. I can't tell you what's in here because they're drips from my table. So there's a whole lot of everything in here. And I'm sure there's some satin enamels as well. So let's make sure we have enough paint off. I'm going to just get my sides while I'm here. I did lightly sand with the canvas before I started. Just to get any, oh goodness, I missed a spot up here. Just to get any texture off of it. Let me see, these things aren't ideal, but they'll have to work. So, got a bubble there. Hoping this paint isn't too thick. I'm going to swish my hands. And now, this is going to be interesting. I hope I get the result I'm looking for. I'm going to put the white down, or the pearl white down first, and then I'm going to pour the gold right over it. And there's a lot of gold here. So, there we go, and re-tilt. Oh, before we tilt, we torch. A lot of bubbles. All right, now we tilt. All right, here we go, guys. Wish me luck. I'm gonna kind of cover the whole canvas because the areas up there will stretch more and I'll get more lacing. I'm hoping that works. I've got a blob. Okay. This might be a total disaster, I'm not sure. See what happened here? There's a couple little, I'm not gonna really worry about it because that might just add to the painting. So now I'm going to torch again. And I might tilt some more. Oh yeah, I'm getting some cells now. And the cells will be all pretty much up in this corner here. I don't mind these, you know what, I'm gonna take them out right now. Oh, tweezers, tweezers. They're there. Look at the cells coming up. This is more of what I was looking for. So it's going to develop. I'm going to give it some time to develop. I'm going to tip it over a little bit more this way. And I might play with those little things that have appeared. I guess I could put some gold on them, but what the heck. Let's let it be a little organic. All right. I'm liking what's happening so far. So what I'm going to do is torch it one more time and put you guys on. I'm not going to put you on time lapse. I found an app that I can, I just have to use this app to make sure I can record in real time and then speed it up to 8 times. So, all right, we're gonna leave it. Yeah, we're gonna leave it. All right, I'll see you guys in a few. I'm gonna separate the video though. Hey guys, I'm back. This turned out a lot better than the last one. I'm really happy with the results. And there's going to be some developing overnight because I added some of these little dots here and they're probably going to develop a little bit. But, oh, and did you see that moth, that huge moth that flew into it almost immediately? Actually, that's one of the reasons why I am putting it to bed right now, because moths are attracted to light. So I gotta turn my lights off so that it doesn't get tainted by moths or bugs. Anyhow, look at that. Look at the lacing on that. So the lacing, webbing, I hope it stays. See right here, it's kind of fading. But adding the opaque to the, oh, I've got it. I think I had a mosquito on me. Yeah, adding the titanium white to that pearl white helped keep things intact. Those are Those are the ones that kind of slid down, and I just enhanced them a little bit to make them a little more cohesive. So you guys are gonna have to let me know how you, you know, if you like this or not. What do you think? Please be safe and create. Please like, share, and subscribe. Ciao for now.